Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to make some curry goat and white rice, and yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the ingredients you're gonna need today is some thyme and scallion. I'm joking. You're gonna need thyme, some sweet pepper, this is clove garlic, what's it called, what's that called, Scotch bonnet, onion, and 3 potatoes, and some garlic seasoning, extra hot chili powder, that's optional, all-purpose seasoning, ginger powder, BETAPAC curry powder, whole pimento, chicken seasoning, and I think I covered everything. I just wanted to quickly add and say that I seasoned my meat in advance. I seasoned it the day before I washed it and cleaned it with lemon and vinegar. And yes, I was just showing you guys the ingredients at the start because I wasn't planning on making a YouTube video on this. Alright, so you're going to start off with a Dutch pot, and the oil of my choice today I'll be using will be sunflower oil. As you guys can see, you can use any oil you want, but I'm using sunflower oil, and I'm adding about approximately 2.5 tablespoons of oil into the pot. You're going to turn the stove up. I put my stove on 8, so put it on like high heat so that it can sizzle. Once you notice it's sizzling, you're going to go ahead and shortly add your curry goat into the pot. And yeah, so once you have added your goat meat into your Dutch pot, you basically just want to saute it down for about a minute or two, and I'm using my wooden spoon to do this. And then I'm just going to cover the pot and let the curry goat produce its own juices. You're going to see that in a minute. So I just cover the pot for 20 minutes, and yeah. So to pass time, I decided to start cutting up my potatoes. So it didn't really take me that long to do it, but just decided to start cutting them up and then placing them in a bowl.
This is what I suggest you do. This is a soul fire production.
So in the mixing bowl that I used to season on my meat, I'm just adding some water into that, and then I'm just going to add it into my Dutch pot. This is just to add on extra flavor to the gravy, and
Damage music. Yeah. Come here, girl, and make me spend time. You say I'm me alone, I ain't time. I love the company, me enjoy you. Baby, tell me when the rent start you. When me think about you, I get excited. Girl, your good body at the right fit. Caressing your body, loving you, me Bobby, daddy, beat it up, mom.
So approximately 35 to 40 minutes later, I went back into the pot and decided to add some more water because my goat meat wasn't cooked and the gravy was running out of the pot. So I just added some more water into the pot, and then I just covered the pot. So after covering the pot, I just let it sit for an additional 60 minutes, and every 30 minutes or 20 minutes or so I would check the pot and add water to it because it was sucking up pretty quickly and the meat was still not cooked. So approximately an hour later, I decided to start adding my potatoes in. As you guys can see, or you can't see, but my meat started to become fairly, fairly tender, yeah, that's the word. It was becoming fairly tender, and I just seasoned the pot with some Maggi, salt, extra chili powder, and that was it. And again, to pass time, I just decided to make my rice. And meanwhile, so I used about 4 cups of rice. As you were seeing, I just washed the rice 3 times under the water.
She said me take charge, so me give her what she asks for. Me a deal with action, not a bag of mouth.